Homeowners, here's the easiest DIY you've ever done.
Have you ever returned from a long vacation and noticed a mysterious foul smell in your bathroom? Here's what to do. Step 1. That's it. One step. Well, you need to turn the water back off again, but that's obvious. It's not really a step. Point is, when you're away from home for a while and not using the sink regularly, the water in your P-trap, that curved pipe underneath the sink, could dry up in as little as 2 weeks to a month. When you run the water, that bend in the pipe, by design, traps some water, which creates a seal to keep smelly sewer gases from making their way up the pipe and into your home. But simply running the faucet will replenish the P-trap's water supply and restore the seal.
Now tell me that's not the easiest DIY you've ever done.